Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of BRGTV. Today we are joined by a very special guest that is here to save you money if you currently own a home, so stay tuned. Today we have a very special guest, Jason Dew with Gateway Mortgage. Welcome
Hey everybody.
to the program.
Thank you, Clay.
Yeah, we wanted to share some information with everyone out there that owns a house. As I'm sure most of you have heard, interest rates are low. Isn't that right?
They are actually, Clay. Some of the things that we're seeing out there are, I'm seeing people going from 5.125 into the high threes, so 399, 375. The other thing we're seeing is, dropping off from some of their mortgage insurance. And that's been a big thing is, you don't think about the rates all the time, but you think about some of the other pieces that are involved in your mortgage that, doesn't always, it's not on the news. It's not everything that everybody talks about. So that's another thing that we're able to save people on as well.
Right, so maybe on the mortgage insurance piece, maybe you have an FHA loan now, the rate's pretty low, but on an FHA, you're locked into your mortgage insurance the term of the loan, correct?
That is correct.
So I think what you're saying is, maybe even if you refinance and don't lower the rate a ton, you may be able to get into a conventional loan, save a little bit of money now, but once that mortgage insurance eventually falls off, you probably save quite a bit.
In the long run, absolutely. I mean, you could take, since you get down to that, 79%, loan to value, you're going to save. Some people, it's $100 a month, $200 a month. It can be, there's big savings. I mean, that's a new car payment for some people.
Right. I think you told me a story earlier that just this week you were able to save somebody, $100 or $200 a month by lowering the rate?
I was. And it was a customer that actually, they had just got into that home back in, it was a year ago,
okay.
When rates were up in the fives.
Mm-hmm. And
now that I got them down to 3.875. So for the next 30 years, but it's actually in the long run going to save them. I mean, they're saving just over $200 a month, I think it is.
Okay. I know you don't have a crystal ball, but, are rates going to stay this low for very long? What's the industry looking like?
You're absolutely correct. I mean, if I had that crystal ball, unfortunately, I wouldn't be sitting here with you.
Fair enough.
I mean, I love sitting here with you, but it wouldn't be at that time.
Could I come visit you on your island?
Absolutely.
Okay, fair enough.
But the rates right now now's the time. Today is the time to do it because we don't know what next week holds. We don't know what tomorrow brings. Actually, today's the time to call us. Give me a call. Let me help you out and see what we can do. We can definitely save you some money, though.
So the moral of the story is if you currently own a house and have a mortgage of any kind, it may be worth investigating whether you can save some money, whether that be through our good friend Jason here or any of your trusted mortgage advisors that are out there. Also, if you're thinking about getting into the home market and purchasing soon, rates are low, so you may be able to take advantage of that, and we would be glad to help you with that here at the Burris Realty Group. Jason, if they want to contact you to talk about refinancing options, how can they get a hold of you?
Thank you, Clay. The easiest way to get a hold of me is my cell phone. It's at 317-874-7806.
And completely free consultation, no strings attached.
No strings attached, absolutely. And, we're not going to do anything that would set you sideways, so you'll be good.
Well, thanks for joining us today. We appreciate your time.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah. Be sure if you have any questions about real estate or mortgages at all, reach out to Jason or ourselves. You can find us at burrisrealtygroup.com.